Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be a quick video and I'll be showing you how you can have a secret chat on Viber. So open your Viber app. Now open the message with the person that you want to hide the chat with or have a secret chat with. So let's say if I want to have a secret chat with this person, all I need to do is tap on the watch like icon that you see on the bottom corner on the right side right next to the GIF. And now what you have to do is you have to select the time, and this is the time that the message will disappear. So if I select 10 seconds, the message is gonna be deleted automatically after the receiver sees the message in 10 seconds. So I'll just select 10 seconds, but it totally depends upon you on how long you want to have the chat remain in the message section. So I'll be selecting 10 seconds, and now just type in random words, and there you see right next to the message that I just typed in. So when this person sees the message, he will get 10 seconds to read the message and the message is instantly gonna be deleted. So that is how you have a secret chat on Viber. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel.